Many have decided it's not worth it, including lots of charity shops. Thankfully, they have a garden and an allotment, so he's not going anywhere fast for a good shop up. And then this says, good morning, Vanessa. Patrick Hutchinson picture is worth 1,000 words. Blessings, I would agree with that completely. You're so right. Absolutely right. I don't know who you are. Oh, it's Ivo. And Ivo, yes. It's front page of the Sun today. It's in all the other papers as well. And it's a picture of a gentleman. And my God, is he a gentleman? Patrick Hutchinson is his name. I think he's a Londoner, isn't he? He's a personal trainer. He's in his 40s. He's a grandpa. He's a Londoner, we think, and he is what's being called in the papers a Black Lives Matter hero, and he is the gentleman who carried a stricken far-right rival to safety. And he said yesterday, I want equality for all. This is the most quotable and the most memorable and the most terrific thing that he said. He said, it's not black versus white, it's everyone versus the racists. The Sun this is their front page. Powerful message of unity by protest hero. It's not black versus white, it's everyone versus racists. If anybody knows Patrick Hutchinson, I would love to talk to him. I really, really wish that we could get hold of him and talk to him. I've been trying to. Quite hard to track him down. But if you happen to know Patrick Hutchinson, please would you put us in touch, because we would love to talk to him. Let's talk to Kate Kinsella though about the weather. Kate, you did very well over the weekend. Well done.
Thank you.
Excellent. Highly commended.
Thank you. We had some fairly dramatic showers though, and they're going to continue into this week as well. The air's quite humid, so there's quite a lot of moisture in the air, so we're never very far away from a shower. For today though, beautiful blue sky out there at the moment. I've just checked, and we have temperatures at the moment outside at around 12 Celsius, so it's quite a warm start to the day as well. Now through the course of the day, we'll see a bit more cloud bubbling up as we head into the afternoon, and that in turn, coupled with the warmth and the humidity, we might see one or two isolated showers developing. Largely dry though, not everywhere we'll see them. The wind is light today as well, so if you do get one of those showers, they'll be slow moving, but the likelihood is you won't get one. Temperatures going up to 23 Celsius. Overnight it's dry and clear, and that could lead to some mist and fog as the wind is light. The minimum temperature between 11 and 14, so quite muggy again tonight, and then repeat performance tomorrow. Some sunshine, the chance of some heavy, slow moving thundery downpours in the afternoon, and temperatures once again getting up to 23 Celsius. That's your forecast.
Okay, we'll have that. We don't mind that at all. That's not bad whatsoever. Well done, Kate Kinsella, with some jolly good lockdown weather. Really nice. And lovely listener, it's time now for the news headlines.
Good morning. The Labour MP for Battersea and the Shadow Equalities Minister Marsha de Cordova has accused Boris Johnson of being condescending after he announced he's setting up a commission to look into all aspects of inequality in the UK.